So, this is my day 1 sa training ko ngayon, preparation for the Patafa. And ang gagawin ko ngayon is wickets run and then 150s. That's it. Yeah, I would say decent run. That's one, bro. Track workouts done. Hindi ko na na-video dahil low battery na tayo, so I need to conserve. Nakuha ko naman yung mga oras na target time. Nakakapagod lang eh. Pero you know, this pain is gonna be worth it. I got to complete, bro. First day sa preparation ko for the Patafa 2025, running the 100 meter. So my goal is to run faster than my previous record, stay healthy as much as possible. I need to sustain the pain, and if not, well, mapaburn out ako. So sleep, nutrition, hydration, mindset, training, strength and conditioning. So dapat on point lagi. I'm about to pack na. Peace.